Dan Moskal here, and in this video we're going to talk about formatting a new article or new website content to make it SEO friendly, search engine friendly, one, and then two, make it visitor friendly. Uh, this is kind of an SEO training video, and we're going to be looking at a site about credit. It's titled Credit Help. This is our website. And in our last video, we looked at how to title it and all that. So the title of our page is How to Get a Car Loan with Bad Credit. In a perfect world, we want our website and this new web page and post to show when people search in the search engines how to get a car loan with bad credit. That's our main target term. It's a keyword term. And as a side note, some of the other terms we want our page to rank for would be get a car loan with bad credit, getting a car loan with bad credit. These have 390 average searches every month, and then 480, and that's just in Google. But the title of our page, our main term, the big money term, is how to get a car loan with bad credit. So let's go ahead and look at this article. And let me first start here. So this new page, if somebody searches in Google how to get a car loan with bad credit, the first thing they want to see is something that's talking about a car loan, getting a car loan with bad credit. Since that's our target term, our big keyword term. And this article, we don't really start talking about automotive credit. This first paragraph is about credit cards and how to build back your credit and getting debts off your credit report, which is very relevant to this post, having bad credit. But the very first thing we want to show people and talk about is getting a car loan is helpful because it is considered a secure loan. When you apply for a car loan, you are using the car as collateral. We want to talk about the car. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this stuff and we're going to fill it in down at the bottom. We're just going to kind of reformat it because we want to talk about getting a car loan with bad credit, and then we're going to talk about the 3 steps to getting a car loan when you have bad credit. And then at the end of the article, we'll put this beginning talking about how you can fix your credit before you get a car loan, or ways to improve your credit so you're not paying 17% APR or worse. I mean, we've heard about, I wish I could remember exactly, but it was over 25% interest rate on a car loan, which is just, it's not fun to be paying that if you are. So we're going to take this, we're going to cut it. Let's just Control X, then we're going to paste it in down at the bottom of the article. So that's our first paragraph. So the other thing we're going to mention is, here, let's go ahead and preview this so you can see the update. How to get a car loan with bad credit. Automotive credit is helpful because it's considered a secure loan. That makes more sense. And then we're, right away we're talking about the steps involved with getting a car loan when you have bad credit. That just makes more sense. And then, we can say anything we want at the end, but it makes more sense to go ahead and give people exactly what they're looking for right off the top and right at the beginning of your article. Because if you're talking about, if you wanted to get ranked for getting a car loan, and let's just look at this one for an example to compare it. So they talk bad credit doesn't mean you can't buy a car. So they have 2 kind of introductory paragraphs, and we're talking about car loans and bad credit, but this applies to any and every industry. But right away here in the 3rd paragraph, we're talking about cars and car loans. So that, and the other last thing I'm going to mention in this video, and you're going to have to check out the next video to see the final version, but in general, let's pull up another page to just compare it. I prefer to have, so when I land on this, if I searched in Google, I'd be like, wow, this first paragraph is like half the page. That's kind of intimidating to me as even a visitor or as a reader, just that much text without any spaces. So what I like to do is make it a little bit more, I think this is much more user friendly when people visit your website. This just, it seems a lot easier to read, and it looks nicer in my opinion when you have things a little bit broken up and you have, shorter paragraphs. And the reality is when people visit your website, the vast majority of them are just going to be kind of scanning, if not all of them, just kind of scanning what you're writing. This doesn't mean you shouldn't write good, because the people that you'll really earn money off or from that are visiting your website, whether you're selling goods or services or advertising or affiliate marketing, are typically people that are going to read your content. So make sure you are writing good content, but make sure that you format it in a user-friendly way. And this isn't, our business partner Maria, she shouldn't take this any the wrong way, because you just don't know. You don't have all these pieces together. I've been doing this since 2006, so don't take anything the wrong way. It's just over the years that I've been working, I believe this gets your visitors to spend more time looking at your page, which is another thing that's looked at when it comes to search engine rankings. If you have a page that people spend twice as much time on than another page that you're competing with, Google is much more likely, Google and the other search engines are much more likely to say, hey, you must have better content because people are spending twice as much time on your website for the same search. So we should put you at the very top and higher than than another website where they're only spending half as much time, because they're probably not getting as good of or relevant information. So anyways, that's all we're going to talk about in this website, or this video. Geez. The other last thing, you might want to make sure, and I would recommend playing around with some of the bolding techniques and asking questions. You really, in this first paragraph, you really want to engage that person and talk about exactly what they're looking for or their biggest concern. How you can avoid sky-high interest rates on a car loan when you have bad credit, for example. So anyways, this is Dan Moskal. Check out some more videos. We are really doing SEO training. This is video number 2, and we are helping our new business partner, Maria, and want to share it with you as well. You can also visit danmoskaluniversity.com for some more tips. You can sign up for our newsletter, and you can run over to Amazon, grab a copy of our book, How to Create a Website Easy button, and you can, well, please comment below and let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Please like this video and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Have a great afternoon, and looking forward to talking to you soon.